The respiratory system have a lot of parts. These are some of them. Nose, in here enters the air to the respiratory system. The trachea is the tube that connects the nose with the lungs. The lungs have a little branches that are called bronchioles, and the bronchioles connect the trachea with the air sacs, also called alveoli. In the alveoli occurs the gas exchange. Now I'm going to explain you how it works. First, the air enters our body through our nose. Then the air goes through the trachea. Then the air enters the lungs. Then enters the air through the bronchioles to the air sacs. In the air sacs occurs the gas exchange that changes the oxygen of the air to carbon dioxide of the body. Then the carbon dioxide goes out the body.